up, guys? It's Connor back here at Earth MotorCars. Today we got this 1968 beautiful black on black Chevrolet Camaro. This one's got a little pony trick, but I'm gonna wait until we open up the hood to show you guys what's going on. If we take a walk around it here, you can see beautiful car, black on black, very glossy paint job with the black wheels. Beautiful, absolutely no imperfections at all. This car is completely customized. We got the Nitto tires on it, front and rear, NT 555s. We got Wilwood 6-piston brakes up front, Wilwood 4-piston brakes on the rear. I mean, everything on this car has been touched. The wiper blades, the wheels, the tires, the brakes, the engine, the suspension. There's nothing left original on this 68. It's all been upgraded to like modern factory time. So you can take this car and drive it to California and back if you wanted to, really. With this drivetrain in this thing, you could just drive it for 100,000 miles. Just going around it, we got the LED headlights, LED taillights too. Like I said, black on black, beautiful car. All right, I mentioned it's got a pony trick, so let's pop the hood. I want to show you guys really what's underneath it, because it's a lot of fun. All right, so underneath the hood, we have a true LS3 aluminum block, aluminum heads, and it's got a Magnuson 2.3 liter supercharger on here. So we're guessing this thing probably makes about 700, 750 wheel horsepower. That's what it feels like to me whenever we drive it, but I'll let you guys find out whenever we go drive through the tunnels. So. All right, guys, we're inside the car right now. We're driving around. As you can see, really smooth ride, no problems, anything like that. We're in third gear right now at 1500 RPM, and this thing just cruises. It really is just a cruiser, but man, whenever you nail it, this thing gets up and goes. It'll pick up the whole front, and it feels like it's gonna do a wheelie. Anyway, we're driving right now. We're gonna go into the tunnel and do a tunnel test. See what it sounds like. All right, guys, we're going into the tunnel, so take a listen. Oh, I love that sound. Best sound in the world right there. All right, guys, I love that so much. I think we're gonna go back around and do another round through the tunnel. So, you ready? Let's go. All right, let's see if we can hear that blower whine. Man, I love that sound. All right, guys, that's been it. Thank you today for again checking out this 68 beautiful black on black Camaro. Anyway, give us a call on our website at earthmotorcars.com. We have a bunch of vehicles like this, and we always have inventory coming and going, so give us a look.